In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Dhgate. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. If you already have an account, sign in so your cart, coupons, and shipping details sync automatically. If you're not signed in, you can still browse, but being logged in makes checkout smoother and ensures any discounts apply correctly. If you have a specific product in mind, use the search bar at the top. Type in clear keywords like the product name or model to narrow down results. If you're just exploring, you can also browse all categories. This is great when you want to compare styles, features, or price ranges across similar items. When you spot something you like, click the listing to open the product page. Take a moment to read the reviews and check the star rating. Reviews often include photos and details about quality and shipping experience, which can help you set expectations and choose confidently. Next, choose the quantity you need. Some products offer better pricing for higher quantities, so check the unit price as you adjust the number. If you see a coupon and discount section, click it to view available offers. If there's a coupon you're eligible for, click claim so it's saved to your account and ready to use at checkout. Select the color, size, or any other variation the seller offers. Make sure the selection you choose matches the photos and the description, especially for items with multiple options. Then review the total cost shown on the page. This usually reflects the item price, any seller discounts, and sometimes an estimate of shipping fees. It's a good checkpoint to confirm nothing looks off before you proceed. Click Add to Cart. When you're ready to purchase, go to your cart and click Checkout. On the checkout page, select your preferred payment method. DHgate supports several secure options, so choose the one you're comfortable with. If you have a discount or coupon to apply, look for the field provided and click Apply to make sure it's deducted from your total. Before finalizing, confirm the details for shipping, verify your address, ensure the shipping method and speed meet your timeline, and double-check the final amount after any coupons and fees. Once everything looks correct, you're ready for shipping, and the order will move forward with the seller. That's it. Simple, clear, and reliable. Follow these steps each time you shop to save money, avoid surprises, and check out with confidence on DHgate.